Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's going to be a beautiful a balloon garland. I think this is one of my favorite ones. Half of the structure it's made with flowers. I use hydrangeas, and the other half will be a balloon garland. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. very simple to make. Really, all you need is pool noodles. Pool noodles that you cut in half, and then you just place it on top of your metal frame. By the way, that ring is from eFavorMart. If you guys want to see where you can purchase it, I will link everything down below, and you can go ahead and look at my description box, and it will bring you to their website and where you can purchase it. But I mean, come on. I love this balloon garland. It's so adorable. It's so sophisticated. You can actually use this for a wedding. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. You can use any flowers that you want. I preferred using hydrangeas because hydrangeas are bigger, so it gets fuller. But you can use any flower that you want. Imagine doing it with roses. Oh my gosh, it would be so nice. So basically what it is like I said, a pool noodle that you cut in half, and then you just place it in onto your metal frame, and then you just literally put the flowers, I use synthetic obviously, all the way around until you don't see the green anymore. It does take a lot of flowers though, I'm just letting you know right away. As you can see the video, I started with one poodle noodle and I thought it was going to be enough, and I'm like, I didn't really I wanted more like the full look, so I added another pool noodle. So for the balloons, very simple. What you need to do is just inflate 2 and 2, and then tie those 2 together, and then you twist both together so it becomes 4. Seems like I'm doing math here, but anyway, so 2, 2, and then 4, and then you just twist it to your round metal frame, and then until the height that you want, and then that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.